Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate Kaspersky Total Security license. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Kaspersky.com. Once you're on the website, look at the top right corner and click on the My Account. And from the drop-down menu, under the Personal section, select My Kaspersky. And this will take you to my.kaspersky.com, which your account is in the dashboard. If you haven't created an account, you can go to sign up, and if you already have one, just simply log in. And after signing in, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. By default, you should be on the subscription tab. If not, just click the subscription from the menu. Here you'll see the options that says if you have an activation code, add it to your account. This is where you deactivate your license. Simply enter your Kaspersky license key into a field provided, then click Add. And once you do that, your Kaspersky Total Security license will be activated. And after activation, you can download the software, install it on your device, and start using all the security features included in your subscription. And if you don't have an activation code, or if you need a new one, just click Purchase a subscription directly from this page and choose the plan that works best for you. And that's how you activate your Kaspersky Total Security license. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.